Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Solstice token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Solstice SLX is the native utility and governance token for the Solstice Finance Protocol, a yield layer on Solana that provides institutional grade delta natural yield strategies to DeFi users. Core purpose: it powers a vertically integrated yield infrastructure starting with a fully collateralized stablecoin USX and yield bearing vaults EUSX. Multi-utility token SLX is staked to earn yield as STLX, grants governance rights and provides priority access to new vaults and credit markets. Fixed supply economic: with a 1 billion fixed supply, demand is driven by protocol usage and circulating supply is reduced through staking and credit collateral locks. Solstice token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 242.85 million SLX token. SLX token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bitget, EXE, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.